Good morning. It's Sunday, the 6th of December 2020. It's about 4 degrees. Just tipping over to that freezing point, you know. It's 7:44 AM and I'm just with our rocks. And we are off to Milton Keynes to see our SJ who's just moved into his new place. Ready? Let's go. Come on then. Let's go. So, first stop on the Sunday morning, McDonald's breakfast. Fuel me up. Sat nav me up, darling.
Yeah.
Let's go. And here we are, M4 on a Sunday. The sun is shining. What a beautiful day to drive 145 miles. Let's go. Well, where's sunny Wales gone? We've just headed into England and it's rather bleak. I miss you, sunny Wales. Cute, baby. Do your dance, Lee. What have you got in there then, Leanne?
Some goodies.
Right then. Let's go and see the lad in the house, is it?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Right, let me get
Woo!
the postcode a minute.
Now, what we're going to do, right, guys, is we're going to sneak up on the property. They haven't got a clue we're coming, so what we're going to do is park somewhere just a little bit around the corner and we're going to just go and knock the door and say hello. Right, there we go. Oh no, they're there.
Oh my god. No, that's not them. They're in the house, they're in the house, they're in the house. So there's a house. We've just driven past, but you can see through the window.
Come on, let's just get out and go. Go, 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 go. You still filming? Yeah. Grab your keys, grab your keys. Here we go, here we go, here we go. They see you.
Oh,
Yo!
How are you going to do that? He's going to give you hands.
Good morning or afternoon, guys.
I dressed him.
And they didn't have a clue. Oi lad, get the kettle on. We've arrived. Get the kettle on, kid. Now.
Sort you out now.
So, what was it feel to have your mum and dad at your abode?
Crazy. That is a surprise. Didn't expect that today.
Your face, yeah.
We were in work mode, literally.
Literally thinking, oh my god, here we go, what have we got to do?
Yeah.
Was that confused?
Thinking we got a million things to
I saw you
do.
the other day, but
And now,
I'm here.
And then
Where's the Allen
he
key?
saw your face, so he
I got
went,
2 hours.
And then-
So hang on a minute. We arrive and we do all the, you know, hey, the kisses and the hugs. Then they shoot off and leave us do the cleaning. I'm only joking. Let's get these tables together, man. Chairs done. Now the table. You alright down there, Leanne? Guys will be back soon with some food because I'm starving. There she is. Oh. Little Coco. Now, this little Coco I've missed. So I give this to our lad, right, because he took a big move and you know, he needed to be mobile for his job and stuff, so we got it fixed up, alright, because this little Coco has had a bit of a rough life by previous owners, so we got it fixed, and I love driving around in this little Mini Cooper.
Do you know?
Hey? You saw me?
That's his face. Did you see it? Hi guys.
Hello.
Getting there.
Busy, busy.
We're getting there, gang. The first meal in a new place. Yaz and Sam's gaff. And we've got pie and mash. Yes. Thank you, guys. How's the bump feeling, Yaz?
Feeling bumpy. It's definitely
Wow.
getting bigger.
That's got bigger.
Whoa.
You were ours.
He's turned round. He or she is turned round, look.
Mad.
Thanks for food, Yaz. It's
It was lovely.
splendid. Top man, Sam, thank you very much.
Mad, yeah.
It's been a blast coming down and surprising you guys.
Thank you guys.
And we're going on a long journey home now.
I might be changing my mind, you know.
God's country.
Where things are going.
Thanks again, guys. It was a blast.
Bye.
Ciao, ciao. Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Swindon.
Foggy, foggy, foggy.
Don't even look foggy in here.
This is a foggy journey home. Nice and easy. Because visibility is pretty poor, man. Isn't it?
Now turn off to the left.